Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. Today I got Vauxhall Mokka 2017 or 18 model. Have a look. Engine management light on. You can see the dashboard. Engine management light on. I got the faulty code under the engine management P0171 fuel trim system lean. Right. I'll show you what we have to do for this problem. This is common problem for the many cars. Fuel system to lean. I got the parts. This is from Vauxhall WJ Kings. We need to replace this unit. Oh, it's called Purge Valve. Very easy job, but bit expensive. This one over £100 plus VAT. This is the unit we talking. We have to remove here. After that, it's connected to here, and there is a hose and the electric connector. See, this is the one. Need to squeeze in here, lift up, disconnect the electrical connector. This hose also, you can see the green color tab. Just lift up. Right, I'm going to remove this electric connector first, and I'll show you how we did this one. Right, it's out. You can see that this brown color bit need to press back. Then after that, I put my pick here and lift up this connector. Then after that, I'll pull. When you're going to remove this hose, you have to lift this front section, lift up. Then after that, you can see the back one. This one, just press down, press in, then you can pull. It's very easy, lift up this outer one, then inside one, press in. When you press in, you can see it's getting enlarged in. Then you can remove. And this side, you can squeeze in this side and other side like this. Right, squeeze in here and there, and little bit give the support here if you need, and lift up. It's out. And after that, disconnect from rubber mount here or rubber connector. Compare the new one and old one. Correct. Install to the bracket here first. Right. Right. Press in electrical connector. And press in this brown tab. Right. All in. Right. Done the job. Then I'm going to inside the car. After that, I'm going to ignition on and the clear all faulty codes. You can see no faulty code for the engine management. See, all clear. Then I'm going to switch off 3-4 times. Start. Off. Start. Off. Again, ignition on, and check with computer any faulty code for the engine management. You can see no faulty code. Good sign. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Very easy to fix. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. If you not still subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of video like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.